Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Sneeze. You and your flunky followers, every last one of y'all are racist pricks. Female and male. Doesn't make a difference. Every last one of y'all is going to get figured out and get dealt with. Because every last one of y'all are nothing but racist little people. Mentally little people. Not like, that's right. I ain't saying little people or this and that. I'm saying little-minded people like that are nothing but little cowards. Because you know what? You have to be a coward, a lowlife, a loser to wanna see Tyree Sneeze succeed in life, because he is nothing but a racist coward. And you know what? Since y'all are too mentally challenged to step up and not be a follower, y'all get the same fate as he get. Because like I told y'all, like I told you, Sneeze, this is the easiest case I have ever done. Because you are such a joke of a man. And now you got followers that's nothing but little racist cowards. Because Tyree, I have seen and heard everything about you. Because you a little man. And your followers, they're smart. They jump off the ship before it sinks. Because you ain't nothing. You have nothing in your life that's worth anything. Man, I done farted things stronger than you. Jesus, you're a loser, man. And your followers are losers too, because I heard that video. You got this thought is real funky porch monkeys. Buddy laughing about it. So, I'll tell you this. I told you. Keep using that word, you're going to have problems. I told you. And once again, I'm going to get you off YouTube. Because I'm going to break you in half. I'm going to make sure you don't even sniff the letter N. I'm going to make sure that